Hey guys, it's me Danyelle back again with another YouTube video. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be another lock update video. And I felt personally that this came like really fast because I feel like I just made my 17th month lock update. So that probably means this is going to be a quick video. But I'm also going to try to talk a little bit about locks in the media. So we'll see. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe so you know when I post more videos like this one. And be sure to continue the conversation down below in the comment section. Let's get into it. So I am in this video with dirty hair that hasn't been retwisted for, I gotta say, almost a month now. So this is probably actually the worst my hair has ever looked or that I've ever presented to you on camera. So this is for those of you guys who are starting locks or want to start locks, like this is how it possibly could look, when you're having your off days and you don't feel like taking care of it at all. I would highly recommend taking care of it, and at least wear like a satin pillow or something if you don't feel like tying it up, so at least your hair is covered at night. But aside from that, I've just been very blasé about my hair, which leads me into this lock update. So I've been locked for 18 months, and I think it is at month 18 that I can say that my hair officially ain't nothing changing about my hair. Like, the only thing that's changing, or I think that's going to change, is it's just going to get longer. So I don't know what that holds for the future, these lock updates. But yeah, my hair, I think it's done all that it's going to do. So I just got to watch to see it get longer. So that's that on that. Also, if you know, I think 2 videos ago, I put in lock jewelry. So it was cute. It was cute when I put it in. However, it's so annoying. Like if you're going to do it, I think you need to know like what you're kind of getting yourself into. So I got mine from Etsy, and if you remember, I put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put in 5 pieces, and currently, right now, I only have. Well, okay, problem number 1. So this luxury, like these tiny little strands of hair. I don't know if you could see that. These tiny strands of hair would get caught on it, and it's like I can't. Ow, I can't take them out because I can't like see. Like it's making me so cross-eyed, and it's like it's pulling on like my root, which hurts so bad. So it's like when it's tiny like this, I kind of just have to pull it, which is not good, but it's just getting caught on everything. And remember, I said I put in 5 at the start of this, and I only have 1. Another one's caught. This one's caught. Can y'all see that? This one, oh my gosh, it's caught in there good. So yeah, so this is the main this is the main, ow, this hurts really. Oh gosh, this hurts so bad. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and can't find that 5th one because apparently, ladies and gentlemen, that 5th one fell out. So lost one already. It's getting caught on everything. It just feels like more of a hassle than it is like a benefit to my hair or a decoration. So I don't know how I feel about it for real. Like I'm probably gonna take them out. Like, cause when I wash my hair, I take them out and I kind of just knot the lock so I know where to put it back in. But I think after I take it out to wash my hair, whenever that happens, I'm probably not gonna put them in. Probably not. Like they all can go. The only one I'm like super in love with is this front one because it has that little bead. However, it is turning, meaning that like because this isn't a real metal, it's turning green, which is gross. So I don't know if I'm gonna get a new one or try to find one that has like a real metal or at least is gold plated. I don't know, but I think this is gold plated, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But this is probably the only one that I'm like super in love with because it's just so cute. You see that? You see this little bead? It's gorgeous. So yeah, that's really it. That's the only thing that's like changed in this month. As far as the future, of lock update videos. I can't promise I'm gonna keep making them because ain't nothing changing. I don't foresee anything changing. What that does mean is I'm probably gonna be making more styling videos because as my hair grows longer, I'm gonna be able to do more and more styles. So that should be exciting. So I'm very, very, very hyped for that. So before I go, I do want to talk a little bit about locks in the media or like in the general like perception around locks. So my friend the other day asked me like if I've been treated any different way since I've started my locks, and the answer for me is no. I'm in a very creative field as a designer, so self-expression is encouraged. Everybody, diversity, or at least it should be at the forefront of things. But there are people who look like me, like a lot of people have locks, so I'm not like nobody looks at me different or funny. Also, my family was very supportive. My friends were supportive, so I've never had that that look that you get, like for wearing something that may not be like the societal norm. However, that doesn't mean that everyone has that experience, and just because I may be like removed from it doesn't mean I can't like empathize with others who do. And I feel like as people who have locks, we are still like for one, we are people who have natural hair, which isn't while it is being socially accepted, it still has a very long way to go as far as like progress pushing in like the main front of media. And within the within the natural hair community, you still have people who have locks who some say aren't even accepted into the lock community, but it's still kind of seen as the ugliest version of natural hair, which I don't understand, but it is what it is. So it's like with stigmas like that, and then you have these articles popping up in the media where like this high school wrestler had to cut off his locks because the referee said it wasn't regulation for him to fight, despite him wearing the proper headgear, or when the Inspire for Change charity or lady or whoever was cutting off teenage boys' locks, because they desired a better life. But then it's like, who told you you're going to have a better life when you changed your hair? So just that whole perception of what locks can mean and how that affects you as a lock wearer or me as a lock wearer. So knowing those things, how does that make you feel? For me, thank God, I have a pretty good, self-esteem. I have pretty good self-esteem. So I'm not really swayed by what people may think about my hair or not. But as I said, I am lucky to work in a creative industry. Like I'm not in an office or like a super strict office setting where my hair is being judged. However, I do empathize with those who are. And it does suck because I do believe as a Latin community, we are kind of a family and we need to have the backs of like our brothers and sisters. So what does that mean? So I feel like when you do see people be discriminating against because of their hair, you need to speak up. I do feel like we need to create more spaces for ourselves to feel at home. Like I went to what is it called? The Locs and Lyric event that was in Brooklyn a couple weeks ago. That was amazing to see all these people with locks and the different vendors catering to locked people, to hear the music, the spoken word, all that. It was amazing. And I think you just really need to find your own space, your own communities, which I think for when you need to do as a Black person, but especially, if you have locks, because if you need that shoulder, if you need that support, don't forget that you have, someone else that can kind of like help you carry that burden, even if on social media, like you have so many hashtags that you can find people with locks. I ask a lot of questions, you will find a lot of answers, you find a lot of inspiration. So it's good to know that you're not alone, but we cannot forget that there is a fight out there, around the Eurocentric perception of beauty. And while we are getting better, shout outs to Halle Bailey, who's about to be Little Mermaid in the live action The Little Mermaid. While I do feel like it's an attack on their personal values, it's just us working to break down the door into mainstream media to let them know that we are here, we are gorgeous, we are beautiful, we're fire, we're all that, and y'all can't tell us nothing. So that was my little rant, Locs in the media rant, whatever. I actually can't even remember what I said, but just know that your locks are beautiful, your hair is beautiful, and don't let nobody tell you anything different. Even if your hair is dirty and not retwisted. I don't like this one. I feel like in every video I pull out hair. Whew, that hurt a lot. But that was pretty much all I had to say. So thank you so much for watching this video. Again, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to continue the conversation below. Like, if you've ever been looked at differently or been treated differently at maybe your job and your family for having your locks, share your experience down below. If you have any advice for someone who maybe, getting some pushback from the family, share that below. And if you want to share some affirmations about how dope your locks look, share that below as well. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. Oh, before I go, if you watched my video where I was reviewing products from We Are Crowned, guess what? You now can use a coupon code, Queen D, where you can get 20% off your purchase of $30 or more. So, I feel like that is a deal. So you need to get into that right now. Go to their online store at www.wearecrowned.com, put all that crap in your cart, and then type in Queen D to get 20% off. And then let me know what you get. Follow me on social media at I'm Elisa's. Just comment below any picture. Just tell me what you got and how you feel about it. And yeah, because I'm just trying to help y'all save y'all coins while getting glowy skin. So we're just helping each other. I'm helping. Help me help you. Check it out.